Well, hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and today in part 3 of my solar gadgetry, I'm going to go through my power transfer system. And basically what you're looking at there is the power relay that switches between grid power and inverter power. And that's controlled by a circuit over here that I'm going to show you. And there is a solar sensing switch right there, and then there's a current sensing switch right there. And basically the idea behind this is to set it up so that during charging hours you're never drawing off the battery. You've always got something going into the batteries. So what you do is you run a load on your inverter. Let's say for example you've got a couple kW in solar panels, okay? Well, so you don't want to exceed going past 2 kW where it starts drawing off the batteries. Well, ideally you want to set your current sensing switch to trip at about 1,500 watts, because you want to keep at least something going into the batteries at all time, if at all possible. So you set that over there to 1,500 watts. You're running a load, and your power reads 1,500 watts. Then you just adjust this so it flips on at that point. Then this sensor looks over here to the solar intensity sensor, and it looks for permission to do one of the other things, to switch over to grid or switch to inverter. So what you do is you wait for solar conditions to get just right, where you'll look at your battery monitor, and you put it in the amp mode, and which will tell you whether or not how much power is going in the battery or how much is being drawn out. So when the solar condition gets just right, where it hits 0, where you're neither drawing from the battery or not putting anything into it, then you come over here and set this switch appropriately to whatever the figure is, just a hair below or above it, so that when it gets lower than that, it'll switch over the transfer switch over the grid and prevent you from drawing off your batteries. And basically that's all there is to it. And I've got a circuit diagram I'm going to put at the end of this video to show you just exactly how that's wired up. So anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments section and I'll get to them as soon as I see them.